Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Naio Nails. In this video, we are going to test if you can soak off Acrygel because we are sick of having that many comments asking if it can be done. And guess what? We have no idea. So let's put it to the test. For this experiment, you will need tinfoil. So run in the kitchen and grab some tinfoil from your mother's cupboard. That's just for the kids that are watching. But for you professional people, take a little bit of foil. We are using the foil out of the kitchen. It doesn't need to be any special aluminium foil. Aluminum foil.
So it is actually spelt different.
No.
It is?
It is.
So in America it's spelt as in aluminum, but in England there's an extra I in there, so it's aluminium.
Aluminium, yeah.
Aluminium.
So we've got a bit of this, bit of foil basically. And we have a nail that we did earlier in a previous video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to file off the top coat of that because Urban Graffiti top coat is non-porous and it will not accept the acetone into its life. So you need to get rid of it, basically. So we want the acetone to penetrate through. This also has a plastic tip on, so I think we should have a bet.
See if it melts or not.
Yeah. I think the tip's going to melt first.
I was going to say, wouldn't it be cool just to like put it in a glass?
It would, wouldn't it?
Of acetone and just let it watch it. Should we do that?
Yeah.
Right.
He loves changing things.
Oh, God.
We had a plan. Adam loves to change everything. Right. In we go. Let's see what happens. Talk amongst yourselves while we wait for the magic to happen. I am quite intrigued of what's going to happen.
Push in a bit. You can see it's sort of like misshapen now, can't you?
You see, it has. See how it's like all rippled here? So it has softened. Let's just file it and see how soft it is. I mean, it's not scraping off. Oh. Oh, you can peel it like a banana. Oh, and then it starts getting harder. So, this is exciting. It's like a semi-soak. Say it again. So, because like the top layer does soften.
Yeah, it sort of peels off, doesn't it?
now we've got that, because I can feel it's getting harder now again. So let's just soak. Let's just soak it again and see what happens. Oh, I need to put it all in, don't I?
Yeah.
Let's have a look what's going on here. Yeah, because look, it's wrinkling again. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was the tip.
That was the tip gone.
So the tip definitely melts in acetone.
So maybe the white actually will melt a little bit more as well. I mean, I know it's got a plastic tip, and we know that plastic will melt in acetone, but maybe the white melts quicker as well. Yeah, because it is definitely. Look. Look at that.
So it's not behaving strictly like.
It's not like acrylic. No.
So hard gels don't soak off.
No.
They have to be filed off.
Yes.
So it's behaving like a mixture of the two, isn't it?
Well, yeah. That's because it is, Adam.
Ha ha.
But yeah, it is. I mean, I want to say it's soak off, but I want to say it's like. See, that's getting a bit harder now.
Is it getting harder the more you play with it?
Yeah, it's getting harder the more I play with it. So it will soak off, but it'll take longer.
You think?
Yeah, so I think it's going to be like a 20-minute soak. So it's a longer soak off, but it will soak off. I think that's the results of the experimento. What do you think?
Comment below. But would it be quicker just to file off? And what's the pros and cons?
Benefit?
What's the pros and cons?
Well, the benefit is of soaking something off. I mean, look, if that hasn't been in for long and it's starting to ripple at the edge again. So maybe just putting it in for 10 minutes. Look at that, that's coming off a treat. So I would say actually soak it for 10 minutes, scrape, file, 10 minutes soak. You know, and the thinner it gets, the easier it's going to be to get off. And it's just different.
So do you not think it would not work in the foil?
I think it would work in the foil, and I think it might even work quicker in the foil because you've got the body heat.
Oh.
See, this isn't hot.
Yeah, of course.
And we normally heat it up, don't we, and all that. It's just been popped in the bowl, no heat added. I think the body temperature would have...
There's no heat in that.
Yeah, and definitely the benefits of doing it this way are you're not going to damage the natural nail. You've got the base layer as well because you've got the base coat. And that's soak off. So you'll not obliterate the nail.
Is that what the danger is with filing?
Yeah, filing it can get quite dangerous because you're going to keep filing and filing, and if you're not, an experienced nail technician and you think that it's off and it's not, or if you think it's not off and it is, and you start filing the natural nail, that's when disasters can happen. Oh well. That was quite a
educational.
It's quite educational, that, yes.
What, scientific?
Yes, a scientific experiment, or very educational. Because we do like provide you guys with education of the highest standard. So there you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you have a little experiment yourself, and comment below and let us know how you get on. Don't forget, everything I've used today will be listed below, as it always is. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. Give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. He loves it when he's right. Typical man loves it when he's right.